While the release of two films, The Great Mouse Detective in 1986 and Oliver and Company in 1988, helped Disney get back on track. They really they really struck gold with the box office release of The Little Mermaid. It was a huge hit in '89. A shot for the rainbow sequence at the end of A Little Mermaid was the very first piece of feature animation to be created with Computer Animation Production System, CAPS. That was what it was called. That Disney and Pixar had collaborated on together. The digital ink and paint system. This digital ink and paint system replaced the more expensive method of inking and coloring by cells by hand, and provided filmmakers a whole new set of tools that were easier and quite honestly faster. By 1990, the boom of animated hits was heralded as a comeback that might even rival the new golden age of cartoons. This is the '90s, the early '90s, and I call it the all bets are off era, because anything was possible and anything could be done. Suddenly, technology was no longer something for the first time that hindered you; it actually helped you. You can make whatever you wanted, really. But before I get into that, I want to mention a few more things in the '80s. The Canadian anthology hit film Heavy Metal, which came out in 1981, was based on comics published in the popular Heavy Metal magazine. It was sexist, juvenile, and somewhat violent, but obviously a huge hit for high school kids and college kids. It was eventually followed in the year 2000 by the poorly received Heavy Metal 2000, and reimagined in the Netflix series Love, Death, and Robots, which came out in 2019. I would show you a clip of Heavy Metal right now, but it actually is so wrong in so many ways that I don't think I can actually, I don't feel comfortable putting it on. Look it up for those of you who are interested. The dark rock opera film, Pink Floyd, The Wall, came out in 1982, and it contained 15 minutes worth of animated segments by British cartoonist Gerald Scarfe, who had already designed stuff for their album cover and concert tour. Whether you're a Pink Floyd fan or not, the animation in this is just breathtaking. Watch some of it here.